Hello guys, I hope you are doing great and fine by the mercy of God. I'm also very fine. So guys, this is my first video in this group. So I am feeling very nervous and also I am happy to join here in this group. Many students, many you are here, you are posted your comments, your videos and your practicing video you are upload here. You guys doing great in English. So I'm also interested to learn English, that's why I am here. This is going to my first video in this group, so I'm definitely happy and some nervous. So let's start this video. So guys, today in this video I want to share with you the topic is very simple and very interesting. You know about this, I hope. The money. Today I going to talk the money. What is money? The definition already you know, definition you already have. So I'm not sharing with you the definition, just I want to share the main thought. What can do money in our life? So money is everything. As a proverb, money is the second god. If you have money, if you are starting to earn money, if you have money, you can do anything in this modern age. You know that our personal life you are facing, your family life also facing that. How is money important our life? If you want to make good life, successful life, you definitely you need money. Without money you cannot prosper nicely and beautifully in your life. So that's why money is very important, essential for our life and for our family, for our future also. So that's why guys, you are most of here students, I am also a student. That's why if we starting earning money, our all thinkings and worries are going out from our mind. So money is important. Keep this thought in your mind that money can do anything. Money is second god. So that's all. I am very nervous, so thank you so much all of you. Stay blessed and keep practicing every day. You will be fluent in English, and I also believe that I am also be fluent in English. So that's all in this video. So thank you so much.